Welcome, everyone! Today, we are going to learn how to create a daily planner in Microsoft Excel. This planner will help you organize your tasks, track progress, and manage your day efficiently. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to stay productive, so let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the layout. First, we need to set up the basic structure of our planner. Open Microsoft Excel and follow these steps. Resize the columns and rows. Make the layout more spacious by adjusting the column width and row height. Add headers. In the first row, enter titles like planner date, main goal, top priorities, hourly schedule, water intake, calories, steps, and reflections. Merge cells for headings. Select multiple cells and use the merge and center option to make the titles stand out. Apply borders and formatting. Use bold fonts, background colors, and borders to make the sections look clear and professional. Step 2. Creating the hourly schedule. Now, let's add a time tracking section so we can plan our day hour by hour. List the time slots. In the first column, enter times from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Add a task column. Next to each time slot, create a column to enter tasks. Add water, calories, and steps tracking. Create additional columns where you can enter daily health progress. Step 3. Adding task priorities and goal tracking. A good planner helps us set priorities, so let's add a section for that. Create a top 3 priorities section. Label 3 rows as must do, should do, and optional tasks. Insert a goal box. Merge a few cells at the top of the sheet and label it today's main goal. Add a reflections and wins section. At the bottom, include a space where you can write what you achieved today and your focus for tomorrow. Step 4. Final touch and saving your planner. Now that our planner is ready, let's save it properly. Save as an Excel template, XLTX. This allows you to reuse the planner without overwriting the original file. Save as a printable PDF. If you want to use a paper planner, go to File, Export, Create PDF. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own daily planner in Excel. This planner will help you stay organized, improve productivity, and track your progress every single day. Remember, a planner is only useful if you use it consistently. So, start filling it in, set your daily goals, and watch your productivity soar. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.